guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your pictures, videos, music from your mobile phone, from the gallery or any video player. Right, most of people use third-party apps like Vault, Private Key and any other hiding tools, but most of the people nowadays are familiar with these applications. Here's a tip or a new trick you can use to hide or make your files private. Right, this is 100% guaranteed. Only you can know how to access your hidden features. So let's begin. You do not need any third app, but you just need your file explorer. Any type of file explorer is compatible for this method. Right, if you open your file manager, go into your files, then choose the folder or the file that you want to hide. In this video I'm going to demonstrate using my pictures. Right, I'm going to navigate into the picture folders, and here we are. I'm going to hide pictures from screenshots. As you can see, there are 4 images in this folder, but I would like to hide them from my gallery. Right, first of all, if you want to hide some of these pictures, you can do as what I'm going to do in the next few steps. Right, I would like to hide the whole of this folder. So if you want to hide this folder, simply highlight it and press menu and press rename. Then don't change the name of the folder, as you will forget it later. So just add a full stop before the name of the file that you want to encrypt or that you want to hide. Right, after you put a full stop, just hit OK. This full stop automatically make your folder disappear out of your phone. Right, as you can see, it is still appearing, but let's press back and launch the picture folder again. As you can see, it disappeared. Right, if you completely hide your pictures like this, you are no longer see them in your phone or in your gallery. But guess what, there is a way to retrieve them back. Right, let's see how can we do this. Just simply turn on show hidden files. Right, go back to your folder. Here you can see the folder is here again, and all the contents are still here. So guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you are interested or if you like this video, please like this video and share with your friends and beloved ones. Let's meet on the next videos. This is how you can hide your pictures, videos and music from your phone, so that it may be not accessible with any other people's. Right, let's meet on the next video. If you have any comment, you can write to us as feedback in comment section. Goodbye.